today I'm here to collect my iPhone 7 that I purchased from Nature. So my first feeling of it is that looks great, looks like new. So if anybody is looking to get for iPhone or any other phones, that refurbished one can consider Nature, because their service is also very good, excellent. Right? Thank you.
So the reason that I choose here is there's a good review from my IT guy, which is first I get 1 year warranty here. So recommended by Mr. Simon, who is the product manager. So I feel that with kind of the warehouse here with all the professionals, so I feel that it's better I deal here rather than I buy through personal. So I feel that I feel excited and more secure to buy it from here.
Hi, I'm Garmick from ST Advisory. I've been a client of APRs for a few years now, and well, the reason why we keep coming back, my company keeps coming back, is because of the great service, the great deals that they have here, and their sales team and their after sales support that they provide. So just another laptop that I've got for today, and a previous laptop that had problems, immediate replacement of a battery. So yeah, thank you.